I'm taking on the challenge to show you how to protect your heart from air pollution, and I've got some surprising tips to share. Air pollution is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and it's having a devastating impact on our health, particularly when it comes to our heart health. The World Health Organization estimates that over 9 million people die prematurely each year due to air pollution, and it's staggering to think that many of these deaths are preventable. The alarming rise in air pollution levels globally is posing a serious threat to our cardiovascular health. In the last few years, we've seen a significant increase in the number of cities around the world where the air is toxic to breathe. In fact, the WHO estimates that over 80% of urban residents worldwide are exposed to poor air quality, which is having a drastic impact on our health. The statistics are shocking. Air pollution is responsible for 1 in 8 deaths globally, and it's particularly worrying for people who already have pre-existing heart conditions. The tiny particles in polluted air can cause inflammation in the blood vessels, which can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and even death. But what's even more concerning is that air pollution is not just an outdoor problem, it's also a major issue indoors. Many of the products we use in our daily lives, from cleaning supplies to personal care items, are emitting harmful chemicals into the air we breathe. And when we're stuck in traffic or driving to work, we're inhaling toxic fumes from vehicles that are spewing out pollutants. There are so many sources of air pollution, it's hard to know where to start. Of course, there are the obvious culprits: vehicles, industrial emissions, and construction sites, but there are also more surprising sources, like household products and agricultural burning, and each of these sources is having a profound impact on our heart health. When we breathe in polluted air, the tiny particles can travel straight to our heart, causing damage and inflammation. It's a ticking time bomb, and it's essential that we take action to reduce our exposure to these dangerous pollutants. Recent studies have shed light on the connection between air quality and heart disease, and the results are alarming. One study found that people who lived in areas with high levels of air pollution were 40% more likely to develop heart disease than those who lived in cleaner areas. Another study found that exposure to polluted air could increase blood pressure, heart rate, and even change the structure of the heart itself. The evidence is clear: air pollution is a major risk factor for heart disease, and it's essential that we take action to protect ourselves. So what can we do? First, we need to raise awareness about the dangers of air pollution and the impact it's having on our heart health. We need to encourage our governments to take action to reduce emissions and transition to cleaner energy sources. The surprising connection between air quality and heart disease is one that we can't afford to ignore. By understanding the risks and taking simple steps to reduce our exposure to pollutants, we can safeguard our heart health and reduce our risk of heart disease. In today's video, we've explored the alarming rise in air pollution levels, the various sources of air pollution, and the surprising connection between air quality and heart disease. It's clear that air pollution is a major threat to our heart health, but by taking action and raising awareness, we can protect ourselves and those we love. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on air pollution and heart health in the comments below. Have you or a loved one been affected by air pollution? Share your story and let's get the conversation started. And if you want to learn more about heart health and how to protect yourself, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic.